My cat's just chilling in a box. Cheech, what you doing? Talking to the camera. Are you the pilot?
He's on an airplane. Or he's on a boat. Let me put him 2 little paddles hanging out the sides. Do that TikTok trend. With the Titanic music.
Mm-hmm. Do-do-do-do. What you doing?
I was about to record it too, just so I could do the little TikTok trend.
Oh, them hickory nuts. Turkeys are doing good. All that clumps of stuff right there, that's ice that we took out of their water. What you talking about? I'm glad to see that she's able to get up on that thing. I figured it was so slick they couldn't get up on it. So I took that pallet and leaned that pallet up against it until I can find the what you call it? The sandpaper stuff to go around the pole, because I hadn't been able to find it. And so I put that pallet in there. It kind of works pretty good. Might just leave the pallet in there. I see that they've been using it because there's poop all over it. That way they don't have to sleep on the dirt. Using it as your playground? Yeah? Okay. It's yours. You can do whatever you want to with it. Yep. You can. What? I hand raised her. I got him from somebody else, so he's more skittish around me than she is. I'll go in there. He's gonna get spooked. He normally does. Yeah, I got plenty of food to eat all day long. Think I did a little bit of overkill right there with the food. At least she ain't gonna starve. Ain't that something else with that ice? That's ridiculous. But it's warmer today than what it has been. I think it's 50 degrees, I believe, now, when it's 12:45. When it warms up a little bit, we're gonna extend their pen and make it probably 3 times as long as it is now. I just done this that way I could keep them separated from the chickens. When springtime comes, maybe we'll have some babies and try to find another hen. I did have one, but she passed away. So hopefully I can find another hen. That way I'll have a trio. Yes, ma'am. Yeah? You talking to everybody? Yeah? Okay. Nibble and walk. Nibble and walk. What's up, handsome man? I never give these turkeys names. I never really thought about giving them names. If y'all have any name suggestions, just dropping it down in the comments and I'll see which name's more popular. And he's a young male. She's a young female. He might be a month or two older than her. So they're both about a year old now. Now they're preening themselves, trying to make themselves look pretty for one another. I don't know if y'all can hear that tapping behind me. There's a woodpecker on a hickory nut tree back there. And he's steady tapping that doggone tree. I'm gonna get out of here and let them be. See if I can get that woodpecker on video for you. Oh my goodness, the sun's in my eyeballs. This is the big hickory nut tree here. It don't look very big on camera, but it's huge. This is the prettiest tree on the whole property here. I know it don't look like it now, but it really is. That woodpecker is up there on that branch right there. I know you can't see it from here. That's an old tree, y'all. Anyways, warmer today than it has been. We just come out here to get everybody fed since it was nice and warm out here. The chickens are out here dust bathing. Me and my husband's been out here talking about how to do stuff, building more stuff, trying to make it more decent out here, but life runs away with you and things get out of hand and you clean up, then you mess up. That's just how life is. But we're going to work on a couple more things as soon as it gets warmer outside, like the turkey pen, building it bigger, and with his compost pile over there. I know y'all have seen it in my videos with all the cardboard boxes and stuff. We're going to try to make I say a box, but like something that can actually build like a box so we can start putting it inside of it. That way the wind won't be blowing it across the yard. But he made his own little compost pile. Well, I say little, it's a big compost pile right now, but you know, just make a box to try to hide it so it doesn't look so much like an eyesore. But anyways, yeah, you probably see me squinting because of the sun. The sun's pretty bright today. But anyways, look at these chickens. All the places, they're right there dust bathing. And Henrietta over there, up underneath the bumper. Henrietta's right here. The white one here, that's Snow White. And then Quasimodo, I don't know where she's at, but y'all know her when you see her. She's the one that's got the crooked neck and the messed up feathers. And I literally just named him maybe 30 minutes ago. I never really try to name too many of the chickens because it's just kind of hard to try to remember anything, you know. Once you get older, it's harder to remember things. But anyways, his name now is Gallo. Gallo is Spanish for rooster. So that's his name. So not every farm animal has a name. My goodness, girl, look at your feathers. You're so dirty. Her and the cat's over here sharing a meal together. My weird cat loves eating chicken food and everything else that he ain't supposed to be eating. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great day. We're about to go, excuse me, I'm losing my voice. We're about to go get in the shower and we're going to my mother-in-law's house to have dinner today. So I hope y'all have a great day, great afternoon, and a happy New Year's. We love y'all and God bless y'all. And we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.